All right, what up, y'all? So we back. More Corvette stuff. So another LightingTrendz Underglow job. So another chasing. I got a ton of wires. So we're getting started on this C5 this time. Drop top. So first five I done worked on outside of mine. Over there. So yeah. And first drop. But I'm not doing anything dealing with the top, so don't really matter. So Underglow for the sides is the exact same setup as the C6. So just clean off all of these, this frame rail here. So that's clean. The kit is 3M, so it's gonna stick right on there. And it's gonna come up all of this. So I hope that showed through. The front is a little bit different, so I'm not 100% sure how I'm doing the front just yet. The bumper isn't really set up like the 6, where it's like a big flat piece coming all the way across. So I don't really want to tack it on the bottom of this rail right here, because as you can see, and same on mine, these get hit a lot. So like this part up here doesn't seem to be scratched up, but once you add the LEDs, I feel like it's either gonna get scratched or it's gonna be seen. So I'm either gonna put it like up here in this little section. I probably got y'all going all over the place, my bad. But I'm probably gonna put it kind of down this and around like that, and then up. So it'll be enough to shine down here, so you'll see it under the car, but you won't see the actual LEDs. So that's what I'm thinking for that. And the back is set up a little different too. So on the C6, the mufflers are right in the middle and it's a space above. But on here, C5 got the mufflers on the side and this big trunk thing that dips down that you can't put anything above this, because this is actually part of the trunk. But it's a little frame rail right here directly above the muffler tips, and it pretty much goes all the way across. So that's probably how I'm gonna do that. And it might actually shine through these vents when the underglow is on, so that'll be something different. But you know, not the intended result, but it should be like a nice little effect. So yeah, that's going on. Mustang, while I got you here, head gaskets are ordered, camshaft tools are ordered. So well, camshaft tools just came in, so that's here. I'm waiting on the head gaskets and some other random stuff. So once I get that put together, Mustang should be running, minus the messed up reversing the transmission. But it should be working within like a week or so, whenever I get some free time. I got a C7 coming too, but that's like in a couple of days, I think. So yeah, a lot of vets coming through, but the goal is to get this Mustang back running. So I know you probably here for the vet and not for the Mustang, but whatever, you're getting both. So about to go ahead, stick these side ones on, figure out what I'm gonna do for the front, and then I can lower this, raise the back, and do the back lights, drop it back down, and hook everything up in here, put a switch on the inside. So yeah, let me get to work. Oh, it is still hot, but the vet is done. I gotta let it down, but I'm show you how I did this. So I'm back on the ground, but all right. So I got the LEDs mounted on this plastic thing. I hope that didn't throw y'all around too much, but same deal with the C6. LEDs right along the frame rail, so no problems there. You just move it out of the way of where the jacking pucks would go. Oh, maybe you can see it from here. There we go. So you can see the LED strip right there. But you get under, it's all on this frame above the mufflers. And then all the wires run on this side. So same deal over here. LEDs are on the rail, the frame rail. Just like the other one. Got a, where is it? A little switch right here. So a little on off switch. Alright. When you flip the switch, for whatever reason with LightingTrendz Underglow kits, when you flip the switch, the LEDs don't actually come on. So you gotta go into the app and turn them on. So let me turn these on real quick and I'll get right back to y'all. So LEDs are on. So you can see the chasing. Same on the sides. I wish it was dark so we could see this whole thing. This is actually the 4th Corvette that I did Underglow on. And believe it or not, I never saw any of them at night until yesterday. I went and checked on the first, well, the 3rd C6 I did Underglow on. I went and checked on it yesterday. Looking at that LED emblem, which apparently isn't made for the front, but we got it to work. But anyway, that was my first time actually seeing one at night, and these look real good. So probably won't see this one at night unless he comes to pick it up tomorrow, but I think he's coming today. So yeah, sorry about that, but I'll try to get some pictures and throw them in later. If I catch them at a show, I got y'all. But this is done, so I'm gonna let this down, move this out the way, and I think I got a Camaro coming later. So this will be it for this video, and I will check y'all in the next one. All right, so it's getting kind of dark, so I can finally see what this actually look like. So it doesn't fully light up in the end, but once it's all the way dark, like, I can see the light coming to. You can see it changes to about here, so it's just brighter in the middle, but it'll light up the whole front once it's dark. But chasing patterns on deck. Chasing in the back. Nice little shine off of the exhaust tips, and you can see a glow through the little vents down here, so that's cool. So yeah, not bad. This is the LightingTrendz Flex underbody kit, so if you're looking for it. But that's it. So we are done with this one, and yeah, catch y'all on the next one, which I think it's a C7, so catch y'all on that one.